everyone. Today it is properties of base. Properties of bases. Properties of bases. Bases in aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. In aqueous solution. Or if you dissolve in water, any base, it is produced the OH ion, hydroxide ion. Examples I give the NaOH, sodium hydroxide dissolved in water, H2O. It is produced the OH ion. Or you can say aqueous solution. In aqueous solution, it is produced Na plus OH molecule. It is the properties of bases. Next is examples. First example and second example. Anything in generally you use the base. Anything is in test in opposite of salt. It is opposite the acid. Base is the opposite of acid, and base and acid is from the product and salt. Okay. Second, you can say that bases is react with acid, then form a product known as the bases. Last is your definition. How to explain the definition? When any compounds are dissolved in water, it is release of hydroxide ion. Hydroxide ion released in bases. But next video. Previous video I told that properties of acid. What is properties of acid? Acid properties is when dissolve any compounds in water, then release of hydrogen ion, the protons. Similarly, in dissolve in water, dissolve in aqueous solution, it is produced the hydroxyl ion known as the acid. Okay, this is the properties of bases. How to explain the reaction? I told you reactions. How to take place reaction, how to complete the reaction, and what is formed. So this is reactant and it is the product. It is reactant and the product. Reactants acid plus base. Acid plus base form salt plus water. This is the reaction of acid, base and salt. In this chapter you read the acid, base and salt. Example, suppose HCl, base, any base you take, base, water, H2, HCl acid and H2O base. Sometimes water is amphoteric in nature. It is work as acid and base both. Where it is requirement, जहाँ इसको रिक्वायर होती है ये वाटर, वहाँ पर रिक्वायरमेंट के अकॉर्डिंग ये क्या करता है कि एसिड और बेस दोनों का वर्क करता है। जैसे सपोज मैंने यहाँ पे एसिड लिया तो वाटर क्या करेगा, बेस का वर्क करेगा। सपोज करो आपने यहाँ पर कोई बेस ले लिया तो ये वाटर आपको एसिड का वर्क करेगा। मैं आपको रिएक्शन दूंगा। सपोज करो यहाँ पे दिया NH3 अमोनिया। अमोनिया इज द बेस, इट इज बेस। तो ये वाटर है, वाटर क्या करेगा, एसिड का वर्क करेगा। वाटर इज वर्क एज एसिड। HCl प्लस H2O फॉर्म H3O प्लस, H3O प्लस प्लस Cl नेगेटिव, प्लस Cl नेगेटिव। But NH3 and water, here water is work as base and here water is work as acid. This it is, that is reason water is known as the amphoteric in nature, work as acid and base. Then it is found the NH3, NH4 plus, NH4 plus OH negative. Okay, this is the known as the acid base and acid. It is known as the conjugated acid. Positive charge is known as the conjugated acid and negative charge is known as the conjugated base. Conjugated base. Okay everyone, any problem? If any problem, any doubt, किसी भी रिएक्शन में कोई डाउट हो, आपको ना समझ में आए तो you comments me and then I repeat again. But you read and see my video. See my video. Then if you are not understand, then comments me. I again repeat this video and I try to understanding you. Okay. What is next topic is oxidation. Oxidation. What is oxidation? How to explain oxidation reaction? Oxidation reaction is addition of oxygen. Addition of oxygen or addition of electronegative element. Oxidation means addition of electronegative element. Electronegative means जिस पे नेगेटिव चार्ज रहता है, एग्जाम्पल हाइड्रोजन। ठीक, नेक्स्ट एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन, एडिशन ऑफ ऑक्सीजन। नेक्स्ट रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन, रिमूवल ऑफ हाइड्रोजन known as the oxidation. Next examples, suppose H2 plus O2. H2 plus O2 is water is add H2O, then 2H2. ठीक है ना? H2 plus Cl2. Cl2 is chlorine. Chlorine is a highly electronegative element. Chlorine is a highly electronegative element. Then it is from the 2H. It is from 2HCl. है ना? तो ऑक्सीडेशन रिएक्शन, दिस इज द ऑक्सीडेशन reaction. It is the H plus.